Master your time. Determine your peak productivity hours for English study. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into an essential part of time management, determining your peak productivity hours. Knowing when you're most productive can be a game changer in learning English more efficiently. So let's get started. What is it? Your peak productivity hours are the specific times during the day when you are at your most focused and efficient. At these times, your energy levels are high, your concentration is sharp, and you can absorb new information better, perfect for mastering English. Why is it important? Understanding your peak productivity hours can help you optimize your study schedule. Imagine accomplishing more in less time because you're studying when your brain is at its best. Isn't that amazing? Self-observation. The simplest way to find out your peak hours is to observe yourself. For a week, note the times when you feel most alert, focused, and when you're dragging your feet. Conduct a mini experiment. Another method is to conduct a small experiment. Pick a set of activities or exercises and try doing them at different times of the day. Track your performance and comfort level. Prioritize. Once you've identified your peak productivity hours, use them to tackle the most challenging aspects of learning English, be it grammar, vocabulary, or conversation practice. Limit distractions. During these hours, minimize distractions. Put your phone on silent, find a quiet space, and dedicate this time solely to English learning. Sometimes our obligations don't align with our peak hours. What then? Well, you can still make the best of your non-peak hours by 1. Planning less intense tasks. Use your less productive hours for tasks like reviewing or watching English language videos. 2. Creating an environment. Use coffee, light exercises, or motivational music to simulate a peak state. And there you have it. Understanding your peak productivity hours can be your secret weapon in mastering English more efficiently. We hope this video helps you fine-tune your English learning journey. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Happy learning!